The garage renovation is complete. So this is a Krensla power washer that I picked up from Obsessed Garage with their Cobra Jet hose. This is the advanced version. I picked up this deionized water tank from Clean Garage. It's great because it's got a little bypass valve on the top so you can run straight water through it. And then when you're ready to rinse, you just turn these knobs and it directs it through the chamber to filter the water. Obsessed Garage sells a bucket filler hose like this, but I made one from a few pieces of braided line that I found at Home Depot. It's for a hot water heater. This thing works awesome, especially with the foam cannon sprayer. So I got a hot and cold water line, ran out to the garage, and then I used these braided stainless steel lines that you could find for a washer. Got those at Amazon in various lengths. The cabinets came from New Age. They're pretty solid. They're way better than this Craftsman cabinet over here on the left. And the flooring I used was G floor. I picked this up at, ordered it through Home Depot. It's really great. I've had this on the floor for about 5 years and it cleans up really nice. Just hose it off. The M850i. Love this thing. A little slat wall there that I picked up from Amazon. Works great. Had a mini split put in the garage. Heats this place up really fast. You can get up to like 75 degrees in no time in the winter. And in the summer, you can turn it on and have AC in here. This here is a golf simulator setup that I have in the garage. Got the projector, running a SkyTrack unit. And this is an automated screen that will roll down whenever I'm ready to use it with a remote. That's it. Hope you like it.